Okay, about to troubleshoot another unit. First thing I'm going to do is make sure my gas is on. Gas is on. Turn on my service switch. Call for heat. Furnace is going to go through its sequence. T-stat, inducer motor pressure switch. The next thing that is supposed to come on is my igniter. Okay, igniter is not coming on, so now I'm going to go to my pressure switch since it's before my igniter. So I'm going to put my meter to voltage. Alright, I'm going to check the voltage going in and out of my pressure switch. I'm going to use the C on my board as my common. Alright, checking voltage in. I have voltage going into my pressure switch. And then check the pressure coming out of my pressure switch. I have no voltage coming out, but I have voltage coming in. So my pressure switch didn't close. So to determine if my pressure switch is bad, I need to check my pressure, my inducer motor. So I'm going to stop the call for heat. I'm going to connect my manometer to my inducer motor. Alright. Turn on my manometer. And I'm going to zero my manometer out. Okay. Now I'm going to call for heat again. And so I have a negative 1.50. It's going up and down, but I do have enough to close my pressure switch. So that tells me I don't have a clogged flue pipe, but I do have a bad pressure switch that does not close. So the problem is a bad pressure switch. Thank you.